Welcome to your guided meditation for nervous drivers. This meditation will help you break free from the anxiety of driving. It will empower you to be confident and enjoy the freedom of driving. Wherever you are, choose to spend a few moments on complete stillness. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Let your shoulders relax. When we are tense, our shoulders often tense up. Consciously let your shoulders fall down and back, and as they relax, they become free of any tension. Feel a sense of release and relaxation. Take a long deep breath into the nose and exhale out with your mouth. As you breathe in, feel your stomach expanding. As you breathe out, feel your stomach fall. Again, deep breath into the nose and exhale out with your mouth. Your breath is effortless and natural. One last time. Deep breath into the nose and exhale out with your mouth. Now close your eyes. If when driving your car you feel panic, discomfort, and stress are taking over, if you feel a panic attack is starting to overwhelm you, be aware that this is your chance to leave it all behind. Panic is a draining emotional reaction that can alter the way you see yourself, the way you see and live your life. Be aware of how anxiety and panic are linked to something that happened in the past or something that may happen in your future. It's time to change this. It's time to beat these feelings with the power of the present moment. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Be mindful of your breath. Notice how your chest and your belly go up and down. They rise up and they go down. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Deep breath in, long breath out. If driving makes you feel uncomfortable, it's okay. You are not alone. You have the ability to change your mindset. Don't overthink about what might happen. Don't focus on negative thoughts like accidents. Don't focus on long, stressful minutes in the car due to traffic. Leave any bad thought or any stressful situation behind. Have faith in your ability to assess the situation and take the appropriate action. If you have to go for a different path than the one you are used to, don't be scared. You have the ability to make it. You have the ability to tackle and handle any new situation, any new road. You've got this. Right now, the only thing that matters is the here and now. You're being anchored in this moment, blessed by the light of balance, rooting energies and confidence in your ability to tackle any emotion. It's time for you to cultivate a self-confidence that you can bring wherever you go with your car. Visualize yourself driving with confidence and calmness. You are in control. You passed your driving test because you are good enough. Each time you drive, you are building positive habits. Your brain is getting used to processing multiple pieces of information. Allow your mind and body to help you to drive. Feel how driving a car is as natural as breathing. Your hands and feet know just what to do. Your mind is focused on the road. It is alert but relaxed. You know how to react. If you have sensory overload when driving, allow your body to relax. Trust yourself. Each time you drive, you are building stronger connections in your brain to help you. Driving means freedom. You can do this. In your car, you have the windows down, the wind on your skin, the hands on the wheel of the car. Your hands are gripping the steering wheel with confidence. You and your car are one. You are so connected. You feel so empowered. Nothing can harm you. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. You feel confident. You feel so calm. You feel so strong. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. If your mind starts wandering and some anxiety and fear show up, don't try to hold them back. Not at all. You can't stop these thoughts from running through your mind, but you have the power to stop the way you deal with them. So accept each thought and just breathe into it. Send the light that way. Say out loud, I am calm. I can make it. I am stronger than any negative emotion. I am a calm driver. I embrace peace. I embrace calmness within. Now visualize a light within. It's your light. This light is your confidence. And at each one of these affirmations, it got brighter and brighter. Say out loud, I am calm. I can make it. I am stronger than any negative emotion. I am a calm driver. I embrace peace. I embrace calmness within. You know that light is here to guide your way. Your confidence, your trust in yourself. You know that you have the power to see everything in perspective. Wherever you are, whenever you need it, it's there, deep inside. One breath at a time, you are going to make it. No need to rush. No need in stressing over some past traumas or any future expectation. No need to let the past and the future jeopardize your here and now. Take one last deep breath into the nose and exhale out of your mouth with a long, liberating sigh. and say, I am a confident driver.